In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Cloudways alerts. If you manage websites, client projects, or online stores, having reliable alerts in place is one of the smartest things you can do. The goal is simple. You want to know about server issues, resource spikes, or application problems before they turn into downtime. Cloudways makes this much easier with Cloudways Bot, which is built directly into the platform and helps you stay on top of important events in real time. To get started, open your browser, go to the Cloudways platform, and sign in to your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look toward the top right area of the screen for the grid icon or the Add-ons and Services menu. Click that menu and then choose Cloudways Bot. This opens the main notification and alert management area where you'll control how updates are sent and what kinds of events you want to monitor. Next, move into the Channels section from the Cloudways Bot sidebar. This is where you decide where your alerts will be delivered. Your main account email is usually already available by default, which is helpful for getting started quickly. If you want others on your team to receive alerts too, click Add Channel and enter additional email addresses. If your team works in Slack, this is also a good place to connect it. Choose Slack as the channel type. Paste in your incoming webhook URL. Give the channel a clear name so it's easy to recognize later, and save it. This is especially useful for operations or development teams that need to respond quickly without checking email constantly. After that, open the Rules section. This is where you define what should actually trigger an alert. You can add a new rule or edit existing ones. Focus first on core server metrics like CPU usage and memory usage. A practical setup is to trigger an alert when either one stays above 85 or 90% for more than 10 minutes. That helps you catch pressure on the server before it becomes a serious outage. Then check disk usage. Set an alert to notify you when available storage drops below 20%. This gives you early warning before backups, logs, or other files start causing problems. You can also scroll through the available rules and turn on application-specific alerts. Enable important items like SSL renewal success or failure notifications, staging to live deployment events, and database crash alerts. These filters help you focus on issues that actually matter, instead of getting overwhelmed by unnecessary noise. Finally, review your active rules and channel settings carefully. If there's a test alert option available, run it and confirm the notification arrives properly in your email or Slack channel. Make sure the message is clear and reaching the right destination. Once that's done, your Cloudways alerts will be set up and ready to help you monitor your environment more confidently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.